Okay, so this is my chandelier. I really love how it came out. I'm going to show you how I did this and what I used. Okay, so when I make this chandelier, I'm not making it from scratch. So I'm going to try to find something that is already kind of in the design that I want it to be. And I don't want it to look skimpy. I've seen some that look real skimpy. I like that, and I could put a bunch of blow dryers on there. My imagination, like I can see that. I can actually see that happening. Now, it doesn't have to have a light, but that's a plus. So we'll see how it goes. I think I'm gonna get that. And it's not that bad. All right, so now I am at the end point of my decoration. I think that looks nice. I think so. I might add or tweak a little some things here and there, but I want to go ahead and knock out this chandelier for you guys and show you the end result. Okay, so this is the blow dryer that I am going to be using. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take all of this out. I'm going to gut it. This is what it looks like when I gut it out. I can actually pop this loose so you can see the inside of it. I took everything out and it easily goes back together. Okay, if you notice, the name is there. I don't want to have a name on it. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to be using this paint and varnish stripper. You could probably use something else, but this is just what I had. Okay, so this is the blow dryer. I took all of the words off of it. Now I'm going to show you how I take it. Okay, so basically I just want to prop these up so that I can spray them really easy. I'm just using some regular spray paint that I just got from Lowe's. All right, so what I'm about to do now is build my chandelier out of blow dryers, right? Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to be using 3 things to hold it together, possibly 2. I'm using some black tape and some Gorilla Glue. I got 2 different kinds. I don't know which one is going to work better, but we will see and I will let you know. Okay, so here is one of the dryers. I'm going to be placing it to hang right on here, but I want it to stay, so I'm going to just go ahead and get me some Okay, so I'm just using some regular black tape to make this piece a little bigger so that when I put the blow dryer on here, it fits very, very snug. And then I'm just going to use my Gorilla Glue to glue it just to make sure that, you know, everything is going to stay in place. If this glue doesn't work, then I'll go to an epoxy glue, which is a lot stronger. But I feel like the Gorilla Glue will do just fine. So I'm going to take a little steel wool to stuff the back part so that it's not showing the tape. I don't know what else I could have used. I may do a cutout later, but this is what I'm going to go with for now. Okay, so I really don't know if this is gonna work. I just want to see how it's gonna look. It was just an idea. I'm just gonna stuff the back so that tape is not showing. I may come up with something else creative to make this work. I don't know, but we shall see. Okay, so I purchased these light sockets from Lowe's and they fit perfectly. All I needed was a little bit of glue to glue it in there. I'm not going to use this as a permanent situation. I just wanted it just for, design or for decoration. But I think that I really could have, if I would have thought this out, I could have made this so that the light could work according to, looking at the wiring and things like that. I think I'll redo this whole situation again, maybe for a friend or something. Okay guys, so here is the final result of my chandelier. It does not work, but I could engineer it so that it could work. This is my first time doing this, so I kind of like wanted to just put it together, but I can wire this and make it work just like a regular chandelier. So if you want me to make you one, or you could just go ahead and follow the instructions on what I did in this video. And I am going to redo it so I can put, real lights in it. I was also told that I can order lights that are battery operated, so I might try that first. So